Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the top right corner you can see these three dots. Tap on it, that's the menu icon. Tap on that. And the last option will be the settings. Tap on the settings, and here you will have search, tabs, homepage, and customize. Tap on that, and the first thing is to change the theme. Here will you have the light, the dark one if you tap on it, or it can follow the device theme if you change the theme on your device, and then will change here too. Tap on which one would you like to have. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.